What's up, online shoppers? Now, the company Basic Concepts sent this to me and asked me to do a review of the product, but I will tell you, my thoughts and reactions are my own. Now, I've never had one of these particular eyelash curlers before, so I'm gonna open it up and share with you my thoughts and impressions. So right away, I can see that this one here is a rose gold color, which is super pretty. And let's open up the box. Now, this is a universal precision eyelash curler, and look at that awesome little satin bag to keep it in. That's classy. Ooh, what a pretty color. And this is actually a set. So inside this cute little satin bag, you get your precision eyelash curler, you get a gorgeous matching rose gold set of tweezers, and they give you replacement cushion rubber pads for the eyelash curler. Now, I personally love the rose gold color, and I would have picked it for myself, but it comes in a bunch of other colors. You can get it in silver, in gold, and also in black. So the design of this is pretty straightforward. You have a really nice little open and close mechanism so this is a universal fit, which means it's designed to fit just about anybody. And the movement of this eyelash curler is really, really smooth. It's not hard, it's not difficult to operate. It fits really nicely in my fingers. And also, I find that the fit around my fingers is pretty comfortable, so it doesn't matter. Now, I'm right-handed, but it feels equally comfortable in my left hand as far as how it fits on my hand. This looks like it is going to fit really nicely into my eye shape and allow me to get in nice and close to my eyelashes. The fact that they give you these replacement rubber pads, I think, is really great, because over time those do get worn out, and a broken pad would have an impact on your eyelash health. I don't think I've ever bought an eyelash curler before that came with replacement pads. Now, as far as replacing it, all you have to do is just gently lift it out like that and pop the new one in just like this. They have a little bit of shape to them so that they stay. So you just have to slide it in. And inside of the eyelash curler, there's a couple little ridges, and there are some ridges on the underside. So the ridges are gonna fit together like this. Best way to do this is put one finger on each side of the eyelash curler and just kind of wiggle it into place. And then you can actually just give it a squeeze to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. I think this is a really great little tool. I'm curious to see if it's going to put a nice curl on my eyelashes, but quality-wise, I think this is fantastic. Beautiful smooth finish. Love the matching rose gold tweezers. These are definitely keepers. The fact that you get replacement rubber pads, this sassy little satin bag to keep everything in. This rose gold eyelash curler by Basic Concepts, pretty sure this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.